Viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll learn how about MS Word Basic. Basic like how to create a new Word file, open file, close file, save file, and also some how to work the Word interface. So let's see that one by one. For the first time, if you want to open MS Word, how do you open and create a new file? Let's say and search MS Word. So I click that I cut it. Okay, let's say you here click the window button, and here is my MS Word. Click here and this open. Here is my MS Word. There is a different template available with the MS Word. Okay, um, click here. There is I need a blank template. Okay, I click here new. It's a blank document. Press the create. It's a blank document create. Document name document 3 Microsoft Word. You can choose the I will template. There is a lot of templates available with Microsoft Word. If you want to categories, let's see. If I want to different industry like business, insert, page layout, reference, million views, reviews and views. So I go back and create a new page. It's a document 3. Blank document is created. The name of file is document 3. For the first time we will open the document, and for the first time if I will open the document, it's documents 1, but I have 3 time opened the documents. That's why it's named document 3. Document 3 another method. If you want to create a new file, you press Control plus N. It's a new document. You see here it's named documents 4. I cut here. I no need document 4. I no need document 3. I no need document 2. Okay, let's again. It's my previous work. Okay, I need a new documents. So then I press Control plus N. I have a new documents 5. Okay, how to use shortcut command in MS Word. Today we'll learn. Okay, then I write a some line like reduce. Okay, I put some line. If you need save this file of your computer, you press only Control plus N. You select here Control plus A, select and Control plus S. You save. If you save this file, you select here this PC which you want to save your documents. I want to save in D. Okay. You want if you want to change this file name, you click here education file. You put here a name if you which you want. Okay, and then press save. Then press save. Your file is saved in your documents. Okay, if you want to close this file, you press your keyboard, press Control plus W. Okay, now I select this line Control plus A and then Control plus W. We close our previous file. Okay, I need a new file. I press Control plus N. I have a new file. Okay, let's see. Then I put here some line about education. Education is the key of success. Okay, I select all line. Then I press Control plus A. Then if you want to cut a word first, if you want a cut a word, If you want no need this word, you select this word and press control plus C. You you cut this. If you want to cut this word, only press control, only select this word. First you select this word and then press control plus C. If you want to cut this word, you select only this word which you want to cut. I select the key. Okay, control plus X. I cut this word of my line. Okay, if you want again put here, only press control plus Z. Then if you want to copy this file, you select a line and then you you press control plus C, then copy this file. If you want paste this file, first you select, you press control plus V, then which you may copy, you have a paste, okay, of this line. Then I told you, guide you are some shortcut keys of MS Word. You if you guide all shortcut keys, you are very easy to use our keyboard. Then if you want bold this file, you select all the file, control plus A, then control plus B. All my line is bold. If you want to if you want to high keywords, you select all the file, and here is a, you see this, here is a number of my word. All number is size, zoom and low. Okay, I need this size. Okay, I press 24 size. Okay, if you want to make this file in a MCQ shape, like that. If you want to numbering of all your line, then numbering. Okay, I put this line, I cut this line, I want to cut this line. First I select this line. First I select this line and control plus V, bold. Okay, I think I cut all my line. Then if I want to close this file, okay, control plus, I want to close this file, you press only control plus W. Yes, I want to. Do you want to save the change of your documents? No, I don't want. So then press I, no. I need a new file. So then I press control plus N. I make a new file. Then okay, put some line of here, like that. How many kinds of of online work? It's a question. It's a question. I select all the line and bold. It's a shortcut key, control plus B, and it's a shortcut key, but I click here. My all line is bold. Okay. Then I want to size some extra large size. Okay. Then I press 16 size. Okay. Then how many kinds of online work? Only one. Select this line and click here to give him number. Okay, only one. Then press enter. True, only true. Enter. Then press enter. Only only four. Then press enter. Millions of numbers. Okay, then it's a shape of MCQs. If you want to make a paper of exam, you also edit here, and then you also make a paper sheet, mark sheet, roll number slip, which you want you edit MS Word. Is it's a very easy method for us to make a file project. Okay, then I told you I guide you some shortcut keys, some shortcut key. Then I close this file, Control plus W. No, I don't want to save it. Okay, I want a new page. Then I press Control plus N. It's a new page. If you want make a table, if you want to make a table of your then select 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 4 by 1, 4 by 2. I need this table. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This table I want. Okay. Then you select week of the name of week. It's Sunday. Then enter. Then shift Sunday and press arrow on the right side as a right side arrow, then press Monday, then press right side arrow Tuesday, again press right side arrow Wednesday, then press right side arrow, then press right side arrow Friday and Saturday. Okay, it's a table of week. All week, if you want to go, if you want to in a lining shape of a lining. If you want a table, then click here. If you don't want a table like that, you click here. But I want a table there, and then I click here. It's a column. I also teach you about insert, page layout, reference, and review views and design and layout. But I select insert. Here is a lot of thing to teach. Okay, then I guide you the size of table. Okay, then I guide you some shortcut keys. I remove this all. Okay, I select all and back. Then I remove my all writing. I teach you some shortcut keys. If you want to bold, click here and bold. I want to size increase my size. Then I want to be capital. Okay, bold. You press you press Ctrl plus Control plus B, and then if you want if you want to word if you want to size increase, if you want to select all number front size, then select. Then I guide you some shortcut keys if you want to close your file, like if you want to close a file, you click Control Ctrl Control plus W. Okay, I did guide you some shortcut keys of MS Word, which very easy way to use keyboard. Okay, if you select all line, select select a file. If you want to select a file, you press Ctrl Ctrl plus A. Then here I have mentioned some shortcut keys that you can use MS Word very easily. I hope you have learned a lot of things today on this video. So that and then I close it. Then we meet in next video. I close it. Then I want to close it. Then I press Control plus W. Okay, and then I press, do you want to save the changing? If you want to save, then press yes. If you want to say don't save, you can press no. Okay, I want to not save, then I press no. It's all my changing is here. Hoping you liked this video. You will take care of yourself. We will meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.